So, you want to learn Google AdWords. Ultimate Google Ads by Isaac Rudansky is no doubt the most popular Google Ads course on Udemy. Actually might be the most popular Google Ads course on all the internet. I went through it, and today I'll share with you my experience and what I thought of it so you may know if this is the right course for you. Look, it did not take me long to realize why this is one of the highest rated courses on Udemy. This course is fucking amazing. It teaches you everything you need, and on top of that, it can be usually bought for like less than $20 on sale. The value here is totally insane. Not only does it pack so much fucking content, every year they seem to update it and put new content, and the new content they put up every year is always up to date with the current industry standards, so you are never left with a course that is not up to date. And if you decide to watch that course that you've already bought, let's say in 2 or 4 years, you'll know that all the sections you'll watch will still be up to date. Meaning that you won't need to buy a new course every fucking year. Buy this one and you'll pretty much be set for the next decade or something, depending on how long they decide to keep updating it. But for now, it's really good and it's updated pretty frequently. Not only that, Isaac Rudansky is one of the most engaging speakers and instructors that I've had so far. For fuck's sake, he teaches Google Ads, which is, in my opinion, a pretty boring topic, and he manages to engage me almost as much as Dan Lok does. And when I say this course is really fucking good, I'm not just guessing. You see, I used to work at an ad agency. They asked me to take on AdWords campaigns. And at that time, the only course I had ever watched on Google Ads was this course. And just through the process of watching this course and practicing all I learned, I got quickly to the point where everyone in the company figured out that I was the most knowledgeable person in the whole company about Google AdWords. So despite the fact that I was only there for less than 3 months, I was the one who got assigned with the biggest AdWords clients that the agency had, because everyone figured out I was the most knowledgeable guy and the best on AdWords, which was to me really crazy, thinking that I just had bought a $20 course and had just watched that. Of course, my boss didn't know that's how I learned AdWords, but still, it was completely amazing to me. And having had that experience, you know, I have managed quite a few AdWords campaigns with just what is taught in this course. I can clearly tell you that this shit works. You get all the fucking knowledge you need in this course alone to either work at an ad agency as an ads manager on Google Ads or as a freelancer. You don't need anything else concerning that part of your skill sets. You will get everything you need to run good ads for 20 bucks. And as you know, this is one of the most in-demand skills on the internet right now. I know I have a lot of energy right now, but you see, I really need to let you understand that if you want to learn Google Ads, you fucking need to get this course. I would be doing you a disservice if I wasn't telling you to buy it. Good ads manager that learn what you learn in that course can get paid easily over 6 figures. Working as an ads manager in my ad company, I got paid like 80% more per hour than my last job. And it's actually quite an enjoyable job. In my experience, it's not that very stressful. It's not that time consuming. You just have to tweak your ads campaign here and there and make sure that they don't fuck up. And once they're set and programmed, you just have to tweak them here and there, and you still get paid as if you were working like a lot on them. There's some really cool stuff you learn in that course. Isaac shows you how to use JavaScript, you know, the programming language, to actually make sure that your ad campaigns adjust their bid numbers and everything on their own, so you don't even have to be there. Your ad campaigns will optimize themselves, whether you're in front of your computer or sleeping or playing Mario Kart. Look, if you want to make money with Google AdWords as a freelancer, as an employee working in an ad agency like I used to be, or even as an entrepreneur who wishes to learn how to properly do good AdWords campaign and promote your products online and start getting that much needed space you want on the first page of the Google search results page, get this course. Just get this course. You can click the link in the description below if you want to check it out. You'll be taken directly to the page where you can purchase it. And on that page, there's also a quick preview on the top right, which you can click and immediately see if the instructor's way of teaching pleases you, which I think it will. And then when you're ready to buy, just click on the big orange buy button and you're pretty much set. I gotta say though, you're probably better off waiting for Udemy sales, because they have sales very often, and when you don't buy them on sale, they're like $200 or something, and when they're on sale, they're like 90% off, which is totally crazy sales. You'll be saving over 150 bucks if you wait for a sale, and sales come like once every 2 weeks or something. So stay alert, check out here and there if they're on sale, and really, if they're on sale, buy it. If they're not on sale, I recommend waiting, but even for 200 bucks, this course, I'd say it's probably worth it because it's really that good. So check it out. I'm sure you'll love it. Keep learning and getting better, and I'll see you soon. Take care.